How to create a Minecraft skin on mobile. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Minecraft skin on mobile. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your mobile device. Could be Safari or Google. Once you're here on the search bar, search the following: minecraftskin.com. Now wait for the website to finish loading. Don't worry, I'm still here. I'm waiting for the website to load as well. Now once you are in minecraftskins.com, you will see an assortment of skins. This is called the Skindex. Now search using the magnifying icon on the upper left. And then search for the skin that you want to use. In this case, I'm a big fan of Spider-Man, so I'm going to look for him if there is one. And there are. Now tap on the skin that you want to use. Wait for the website as well to fully finish loading. In here, scroll down, and then you can see the sprite of the skin. What you're going to do next is follow what I'm doing. Tap on download. Once you tap on it, the website will now load. Wait for the website to finish downloading the skin. And that's it. You now own a custom skin. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one. And please leave a like, share, and comment as well. And as always, I will see you in the next video.